Hi, so I really enjoyed reading your paper on Toys R Us. Your title is really good, Inside the Rise and Fall of Toys R Us. It's very true and a great description of what your essay holds. I did not know that it started in a bike repair shop, and I also did not know that it actually started out as a baby store, so those were two things that were new to me. I have a lot of fond memories from Toys R Us. I grew up in a small town, and so whenever I came to Lincoln to visit my grandparents, we got to go to Toys R Us and pick out a new toy, and that was a treat growing up as a kid. So I was sad to see it go out of business. You did a really good job using descriptive language. You talked about it being like a kid's candy store or a magnificent huge toy box. And then you had some other stuff in here too that you just did a really good job with that and describing it. I'm sure that's kind of you coming across how you felt about the store when you walked into it. You give a really good history on the background of Toys R Us, why it, how it rose, and then also how it fell. Your layout is really good. Overall, this is a really nice essay to read. It's fun to read about something that most of us grew up, enjoying, and it was a fun thing to do. I agree with you on people kind of going to online shopping and sitting down and preferring to shop in their own home. I think it makes it really easy to compare prices and compare products. And that can be really hard for those big box stores. I think we're kind of starting to see a chain reaction with all of the stores closing. So, really, this is really good. The one thing I think maybe you could do is if you're going to use the pictures in here, make sure you cite where they came from. Um, and then I don't see a lot of in-text citations, so maybe a few more of those, especially when you are talking about dates and specific facts about the store. That would be good to know where you got that information from. As always, just grammar and sentence structure is always kind of crappy on a first draft, so maybe work on that a little bit. Other than that, it was really nice to read and beautifully laid out. Thank you.